You're on.
Well, might as well wait till we figure out what. Alright, today here we're working on a 2012 Chrysler minivan. Problem is, it only start with the jump pack, and the voltage in the battery tests pretty good. Here, try starting it once. Okay, let's go over. Let's let it run for a little bit. This is grafting the current flow to the fuel pump. When it doesn't start, it didn't even turn the fuel pump on. And we're trying to figure out why with the lower voltage, and we're still got 12 volts at the system. When it's cranking, it's still almost 12 volts. So it's not really a voltage related issue, but when the voltage is elevated from the jump pack, the vehicle starts. Try it again, see if you can get it so don't start again. There, see, it almost died. The fuel pump wasn't running right away. We are using the cheapest, pretty much the cheapest pico scope you can get. Works fine with the, we're using just the regular here hand check probe. Back fuse into the fuse for the fuel pump. Go in the bolt, if he leaves the headlights on for a while to do it. Let's see if you can get it to do it. That's pretty cool. That's
yeah, you hear it is start and then fucking also the fuel pump running.
There we go. Now crank it. All right, hold up. We're pretty much down to that the relay inside the relay that's inside the TIPM is bad. So there's a test light there on the fuse. When that relay shuts, that brings power back to that fuel pump. Here's the command status says the fuel pump is on, the test light's on. Sometimes it doesn't work. Got to get it to where it doesn't work, but we've had it where it says full, it says true, and there's no power to the relay. Apparently the more we bang on that box or dicking with it, it's... There, we got it. Light's not, then the light came on, but it says that the output for the relay was fired. Okay, here to get them by for a little while.
Anywho, this jump right into this.
Some solder in here.
Look at this thing. Are you looking at it? Wait until I clean that up. Pretty much the whole reason I bought the pickup besides the rallies. I think it's like some sort of pool ball, something like that. I don't know. This is definitely a factory option, you can tell because of the slot and how it doesn't do anything, and the giant hole.
Connected.
Just kind of saw it on the floor. Ooh, what do we got here? Rubber bands, some string.
This is the down and dirty dirt cheap.
Pieces of, is that oil pressure? Oh,
alright, so we need, you can keep the hole in here. Make sure we get it the right one here. So we're battery positive. We're going to see which one of these goes to the fuel pump, not that one.
You get a different answer. Mice have been in here violently. That's okay.
Make sure your equipment works.
Wiring for much of anything. We got lots of ignition sticks. Plus you can.
That guy goes to the fuel pump. That does not. So this guy's got to go in like that.
Anyway, heavy smoker.
This is the temporary fix as we're waiting for the Vertical Visions kit to come in the mail.
You gotta turn the ignition on here quick.
The Vertical Visions kit covers these fuses, and it has a little notch out, so it sits right in here.
So which one of these is hot all the time? You gotta go back to the ground.
It's good. I don't have tariff drawings. Is this some sort of ergonomical 10,000? I think it is. Let's get it up here. It is violently wet.
So
okay.
This guy needs to be to the inside.
That's tire worms. Those are still good. That's a front pocket fine. Keep down. Let's see what we got in the glove box here.
Your needle nose?
Let's see what we got.
I got it here.
Let's see what we got in the glove box.
I'll make sure I get it in there. I don't stab in the wrong spot. We got electrons flowing. Let's find out.
Oh my goodness.
Fuel pump is running. We're gonna see if that little wire gets hot or not.
1996.
Yeah, that's the fix. Should fire it up now.
Social Security number. Better that. Some sort of deep.
Maybe we'll watch that with a thermal gun and see if that little wire gets hot. That should be able to handle 10 amps that little bit. Plugging into thermal cable.
It's a little warm, but it's not hot.
Is it getting warm? Maybe it's not going to be adequate enough.
I mean, it's not hot by any means.
Well, it's definitely getting warmer. 114.
How do you see the screen in here?
Just tap it. That really is. It's a little warm. It's amazing that the relay itself, even though it's still kind of working, that wire is able to transfer the current more efficient than the relay. 130. Maybe we should put a bigger wire in there. It's not getting any warmer. 125. It is a little warm. All right, this temporary fix almost worked flawlessly, but yeah, we had, because that relay in there still is kind of working and the fuel pump relay gets power full time, we had to take and cut part of, we had to cut the one leg off this fuse so that way it wouldn't backfeed, and then the van would turn off. Otherwise the van just won't turn off. But yeah, this will get them by for a little bit.